It's just like a mini mall. Holy shit. What the fuck is this spawn? Bro, this spawn is doodle shit.
What the?
Look, see, we just hit a.
Where am I?
Here.
Yeah, where the fuck are you? Why are you? What the hell kind of spawn is this? You choose.
Y'all think my laptop can run GTA Online?
Oh,
Hell
yo,
no.
check. Look, I'm killing.
Oh
them.
hell no.
Getting y'all food.
Bro, I'm afraid of those fucking squids and like the way like they like move and shit. Third person.
I used to be when I was a kid. Don't worry, bro.
I don't know. I
The
didn't
fuck?
flinch at Jeff
Yo,
the Killer, but I
you
fucking
good, bro?
flinched at the thought of Elmo.
What the hell was that?
Bro, you didn't kill the wolf. I can't believe you didn't get his food.
You telling me you wouldn't snitch on your homies just to have unlimited dates with your girlfriend?
Nah.
It's Piggy. My Piggy. Oh, you fucking. But I have no health. I have no health.
Yeah, funnily enough, though, you think he would
Funnily
be like,
enough.
"What the fuck was that?" And he doesn't.
Did you even say the YouTube intro?
Oh,
He did
you're
not
right.
YouTube.
Oh
Bro,
boys,
gonna make
this
a
is gonna
video
be
real
awful.
quick.
Clayboy is a very slow computer.
Lincoln Speed.
You're always complaining. Oh, my steak is too buttery. My lobster.
Go to- I mean,
Like,
Gonzo, go-
right now?
Yeah, Gonzo, go to sleep.
Are you
No.
in this chat?
Minecraft chat.
I can check it real quick. Oh, now it showed up. It took a second to show up. Damn, that's crazy, bro.
That's what we talk
Because I mean, bro, that literally is
Kurt Cobain POV.
the most boring.
Motherfucker
Minecraft
say,
video I've ever seen.
motherfucker say he wants to do it normally.
Bro, it's about to be like,
I didn't even upload the video at this point.
fuck's not.
Alright, y'all, let's play the train tunnels. Let's play the train tunnels, y'all.
Oh, wait,
Bro, what do you
wait,
mean?
wait,
Okay,
wait, wait.
okay, there you
The
go.
fuck is-
Okay,
huh?
Clayboy's trains now.
Oh, yep, he's trans now. He's a woman.
Nothing wrong with that, but still.
I'm a trans
Yo, I was
lesbian.
about to say the most diabolical thing, but I'm not gonna say that. Not in the video.
Okay,
I'm a trans
okay,
lesbian.
bro.
I love women.
Where'd it
Try
go?
this trash.
Alright, y'all ready?
Yeah, say that
No,
intro, say that
where are
intro.
we? Gonzo, we don't have to say the
Oh.
intro at the beginning of every game.
Bro, come on, we gotta
Alright,
do it,
this
bro.
should be a room, right? Yep, easy, light work. Ah, shit, this
Pause.
is new shit though. Maybe this one,
It's
right?
like a big ass train that just fucking
The
ramps
Maybe
intro-
this
up.
one, bro.
What?
Still not there. Where the frickety frackle? I might actually ship. Oh, I see Clayboy.
Hopefully there's no train coming down this way, because if there was, I'ma cry.
You know, even though it's on an insane difficulty, I haven't seen shit happen yet.
Yeah, fair enough.
Fucking, it just fucking flies at Mach 10 and we instantly die.
Pigoon.
No.
Alright. How do you whistle? What?
I don't know.
Where we going?
I don't know. We're just trying to find our.
Fetch me their skulls.
Oh wait, I found something. Got energy drink.
Collect views.
Bro, this flash.
Oh my God, my
absolutely
ears.
beautiful.
Watch out.
Where?
Not out here.
Yo, I'm scared.
We're safe.
Oh shit. Oh no. This shit is so loud on full volume. Oh shit. Go. Oh shit, man. Oh. Oh, this shit is so loud on full volume.
There's so many trains. What do we do?
Oh my god. Yo, watch out.
Oh shit.
Yo, watch out.
There's one coming behind us.
Oh shit.
There's one in front of us.
We good? We good?
Gonzo.
I see Gazo.
Hello, I'm over
Oh
here.
no. Oh no. Oh no.
Look at that.
Chill. What do we do? I don't know. This shit is so fucking loud. Oh no.
Oh my bro. Honestly, it's like okay, now we're trying to do that.
This shit is so fucking loud.
It's so loud. It's actually funny.
Oh my goodness.
Nightmare difficulty?
Yeah. Where? Oh, the fuck over. Oh shit! This shit is so fucking loud. I see a room down there.
Oh my god.
This is worse. This is worse than
I don't have any fuses. Oh, this shit is so fucking loud. Bro,
Did someone just get hit by a train?
the train sounds like somebody fucking screamed. Oh no, please don't tell me.
No, I can't hear.
For real, bro, I cannot hear shit. Oh, you fucking bitch.
Good?
Oh, shit, I just died. Oh my goodness. Bro, I cannot with this fucking audio. Hold. Yeah, I'm going back to normal audio. Oh shit. Oh shit. Clipper, watch out! No! Bro. There's no way.
I died.
What's this?
Little Nick is falling at the party.
This is the most horrifying game I've ever played.
This game's not that horrifying, bro. It's light work.
Bro, and when you're on full fucking all volume, you're gonna be a little bit horrified.
I'm on full volume.
I know, but my headphone I have my Roblox volume all the way up and my headphone volume all the way up, bro.
I'm dodging this light work.
I don't think I
Where
can
the
do
hell are
this,
you,
bro.
bro?
It's so loud.
Oh no, please don't tell me. No! Shit. Oh, you fucking... Oh, this shit is so fucking... Oh, you fucking bitch. Oh, that wasn't even coming my way.
Yo, I found a fuse.
Did you place a fuse?
It said that I can't place a fuse.
Oh shit.
Come over to where I am though. Follow that little thing.
Uh-oh.
I know where you I know where you're at, but
I'm
you don't have the fuses. Oh, I didn't even realize. I just walked into one by accident.
I see a fucking little pinguino on the ground.
You said what?
A little pinguino on the ground, bro. That
Pinguino?
has me
You said
laughing.
penguin?
A pinguino.
But my mouse sensor is so fucking booty juice.
We need one more fuse.
I'm trying to find that one more fuse. I don't know if I'm even going the right way.
We just need one more
I don't have any
fuse.
fuses. Fuck.
Is this the last one? Please! Okay, off. I found the last fuse.
Come to us.
I don't know where I'm at though. Y'all got the exit?
You ready?
Over here.
Alright, I'm on my way.
I'm flashing my flashlight.
No
It's
shit.
coming to the from the left.
Oh shit.
flashlight is straight dog bone.
Oh!
Hurry up.
Oh shit! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh, what the fuck are you?
I find it funny how scared you are. It's hilarious.
This looks so fucking goofy.
What?
The bottom of the fucking penguin. I died like fucking 2 times.
I also died 2 times.
What's going on in the recording here? Whoop! Do you guys have any final words?
Oh.
I can't really see. My shit's still loading.
That's some great final word. Okay.